Hi guys, I hope you're all well. So we're gonna go through a pattern I'm trading. So it's the ascending broadening wedge. If you've never heard of it, this one's for you especially. So I'm looking at trading the US dollar DKK and we're waiting for an outbreak. So let's get into the technical bits of it. So this is what an ascending broadening wedge looks like. So essentially, it's this pattern, this rising pattern here, right? And then it doesn't always look perfect, like it doesn't always look slanted like this. Sometimes it's more steeper and it goes up, as you'll soon see. And then we're looking for a sell position, and then we're gonna sell. So what also happens, I just want to show you what may also happen at the tip of ascending broadening wedge is that sometimes at the breakout before the ascending broadening wedge, price tends to spike up, right? So this pattern in itself is a whole nother breakout strategy, right? So basically, price can go either way. It could spring up, and then you can buy. This is an NFP trade I once placed was a buy. So this is obviously like a pin bar. I remember it by thinking of Thor's hammer. So it's a pin bar which represents up price movement, right? So you buy here, whatever. So this is a breakout. What a breakout looks like. I want you to remember this because this is what we're seeing right now on the US dollar DKK. So this is essentially our ascending broadening wedge. As you can see, this is much more steeper than what it looks like on your strategy. So whatever your forex strategy is, this is much steeper. But once you get the idea of these concepts, really, even if it looks a bit different, as long as you get the gist of what's going on. So remember what I had said, remember that breakout pattern? This is what we're looking for here. So right now we're waiting for a breakout so that we can sell. So what would this look like? What could happen, right? This is essentially where we currently are. We might see a bit of a push up to touch this area here, 6.36 area here, and then we'll look for a sell, right? So either way, either we're selling right here. You can sell right here, but the problem with selling right here, and most people do this, you'll sell right here and then you'll put your stop loss there. Price will shoot up, hit everyone's stop loss, and then start to come down. So the safest option is to wait for the breakout. Don't try trade with the breakout. Realistically, wait for a breakout at this area, and then once price touches this line, and then we can sell by this arrow after the stop losses have been hit, and then you can sell. It's easy to get excited and then want to quickly sell out, but be careful for the stop hunt, and then we're looking for a sell. So what may also happen is that the stop hunt may go all the way up to this level here, which is where we saw the sell M here. So think of the market as a cycle. We started at this M area here, right? This big M movement here, price fell down, price rose all the way back up to this area again. So hopefully we're going to see a big shoot up to this area here, and we're looking for a sell. So remember, when we're looking for a sell, we're looking for either an M, a divergence, or something to indicate to us that price is falling. But this right here is dangerous. If you try to buy this sell right here, if you get lucky, then it goes down. But most likely, what happens is that price will shoot up to touch this area and then test again this area here. So you really have to just be patient, wait for the stop losses to get hit, and then you sell. At the same time, what you can also do is add a small position here just in case price does not go down. And then once we are at this area here, you can add another add another position. So price is currently being squeezed in this area here, and we're looking for a breakout. So I hope this helps, guys. Thanks.